How are you?
I'm okay. Fine.
Oh, very fine. You're still young and pretty.
Thank you.
Okay. So are you ready for your question, ma'am?
I have to present first now.
Oh, okay. So our next presenter this afternoon, our first presenter this afternoon from the junior high school in the person of Jenny A. Matayan, Master Teacher 1.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jenny Madlangbayan, Master Teacher 1 of Capiz National High School, Mapeh Department. Let me present to you my study entitled Video Presentations to Enhance Students' Dancing Skills. The use of multimedia presentation with interesting and captivating videos can attract thousands of internet users, and it is beneficial to deliver content of information across the country. It is known to us that those students are on homeschool and focus on answering modules and are physically inactive. Not getting enough physical activity can lead to different diseases, even at a younger age. During this COVID-19 pandemic, students need physical activity. It has health benefits for hearts, body, and minds. It enhances the thinking and learning skills. It reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety and improves overall well-being. One of the physical activities that addressed the needs in physical education was to enhance the dancing skills of the special program in the arts students that keep them motivated and help them learn through music and dance steps while staying at home. Dance is a form of performing art wherein the body moves in a rhythmic way to express feelings or ideas and improve brain function and boost memory. It is a fun, it's a fun activity that increases aerobic power, gives strength, and reduces pain and stiffness. Zumba was a better choice of the students that everybody participated, no matter what the fitness levels, age, or dance ability. Smartphones, laptop, or tablet was used to access online and follow video presentations. The main purpose of the study was to enhance the dance skills through video presentations in Mapeh of grade 10 students at Capiz National High School for school year 2020 to 2021. Specifically, it sought to answer the following questions. What was the level of performance in dancing skills of the students before the pretest? What was the level of performance in dancing skills of the students after the post-test? Video presentations enhanced the dancing skills in Mapeh of grade 10 students of Capiz National High School as an intervention was used. The first stage of the action research was the respondents asked to perform a Zumba dance online. While the respondents are performing, the researcher rated their performance using the rubric. The next stage was the implementation of intervention. Every session, the researcher sent a link on YouTube about the mechanics of the execution of Zumba dance. The respondents familiarized the rhythm of the music and the steps on how to perform the Zumba dance, one by one from easy to difficult. The respondents practiced the steps and memorized them. The steps they learned were the routine every time they meet online with a researcher. The online dance class was recorded to monitor the progress of the respondents. The last stage was the final performance of the Zumba dance by the respondents which was assessed by the researcher using the rubric. The participants of the research study were the selected 20 grade 10 students of Special Program in the Arts Makuha Group of Capiz National High School. The data gathering methods were the pre-practicum and post-practicum tests. For the ethical issues, the researchers sought the approval of the school principal and the division office to conduct the action research. The respondents were formally informed. Parental consent was made. The performance test results before and after the intervention. The respondents obtained an MPS of 49.16 in the pre-test and 94.82 in the post-test, with a difference of 45.66 results of the performance in dance skills. An improved performance in dancing showed after the intervention was conducted. It gives the students the opportunity to better learn, enjoy, and encourage them to discover new techniques to better enhance their dancing skills. The study showed that a student with best understanding in dancing performed excellently. Based on the results of the study, the following are the recommendations. Use of video presentations as an intervention to improve the level of performance in dancing skills of the students. Use of video dance lessons to encourage students to continue doing regular physical activity. Teachers should campaign to have physical activity for students, specifically Zumba dance, before the start of each class. Parents' participation should be encouraged to motivate students to do physical activity. For the data analysis, the frequency and percentage of the responses was determined. The percent responses before and after the intervention were done to compute the percent difference. For the activities of the action research work plan and timeline, a proposed action research title was submitted to Dr. Margie A. Obligacion, Senior Education Program Specialist, Planning Research. A letter asking permission to conduct action research was submitted to the principal and the department head as well. The proposed action plan was submitted to the school's research team leaders for necessary corrections. The final draft of the action research proposal was submitted to MTRLs and was submitted to Dr. Margie A. Obligacion, EPS, Planning and Research. Parental consent was sent from the parents of the respondents. While a first performance, implementation of intervention, and final performance were done, the researchers started working with a terminal report and submitted to the assigned school MTRLs to the division office. Dissemination and utilization. The parents of the respondents were informed regarding the result of the study. The school head were given a copy of the result of this study so that it can be disseminated in all teachers. For the impact of my study, the baseline is 49.16%, with a target of 90%, and the outcome is 94.82%, with an increase of 45.66%. This implies that an improved performance showed after the intervention was conducted. Here are the appendices. Signing and giving out of parental consent during the distribution of modules. Presentation of action research and orientation to respondents via Google Meet. So these are the photos of Graydon Makuha taken from the dance videos presented. This was the Makuha online dance class. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Madlang Bayan.